Welcome back. Today we will check how to create a Google Earth Engine account. So first you go for Google Earth Engine website and scroll down. You will get a ready to be part of the solution. Sign up for that. For here you have to give your Gmail and the password. So it will redirect you to register for a cloud project, or sometimes it won't redirect directly, but the next step you have definitely to go through this process. Here you have to click get started, the non-commercial use. Then you have to select your organization type. We used to give other, or you can use all the other solutions and try whether it is non-commercial. I'm trying to do other here and click next and give which of the following best describes your case. We give individual research for all non-commercial use. This is basically you have to consider that this is highly for non-commercial use only, and type the requirement of non-commercial use of your work. I will check the eligibility. Based on your answer, you are eligible for non-commercial use. This must come. If not, you have to go for a paid version. Then we will click next. Choose your plan. There's no required for non-commercial registration. Next, you can describe your work, whether it's mitigation and protection and adaptation. I use for all these three. And where do you use that? I put agriculture. You put as your requirement city, and that's it for me. And we next, so that I can register. The most important part is the enabling the API. To complete the registration, please enable the Earth Engine API. You just need to enable the API registration. So this way you will be able to completely get Google Earth Engine activated. To check that, we visit the Google Earth Engine and we go for code editor to register new project. So we already registered to another project, so I am authorized for an existing Google Cloud. Although I have already registered, I'll just check I want to register. Then we will redirect to the same page as we did the cloud registration. No need of this, so I'm authorized for an existing cloud account, and go for my project and select. So that's it. We already have, now we have created the Google Earth Engine account. So it has a small demo of that, so we can skip it if you don't need it. So you will be able to see that base map, and now your Google Earth Engine is set up, and you can go enjoy the Google Earth Engine account. Please like and subscribe. Geobhoomi, your geospatial partner, and give support for us. Thank you.